Welcome biologists to this session where we're going to take a look at what the genetic code is. So first of all we need to know what a gene is. So a gene is a section of DNA that codes for a polypeptide or the sequence of amino acids within a polypeptide. They do prefer you to use the word polypeptide here rather than protein, so please get more familiar with using that term. We have an allele. An allele is a different version of the same gene. Anything in a red box here is taken directly from the mark scheme and we need to know what they mean and what they are. So an example of an allele would be, for example, an allele that codes for brown eye colour and another allele that codes for green eye colour. So they both code for the same gene, they both code for eye colour, but they are different alleles because they code for different colours. Now, DNA controls the structure of the protein by coding for the sequence of these amino acids. And these amino acids are coded for by a triplet code, which means that each base sequence, after each 3 bases, that's a codon, and each of those codon codes for a specific amino acid. This code is also non-overlapping. So if I take this sense strand here, for example, CAA will code for a certain amino acid, so for example, glutamine. And then I don't go backwards and start overlapping this code. I'd then go from TTT, which in this case is phenylalanine, and so on and so forth. So it's a non-overlapping, it's in a triplet code. It's also degenerate, which means that some amino acids have more than one triplet code. Now this is a codon wheel based upon mRNA structure, which is why it contains a U and not a T. But if you have a look here, for example, leucine could be CUU, CUC, CUA, or CUG. That means it's degenerate. It means that this amino acid here has more than one triplet code. This code is also universal, so it's used across all organisms. So each organism will have a T, A, G, and C within its DNA. It's universal. Also, this is used across different languages as well across the world. So it's a very universal code. So that is pretty much all we need to know here about the genetic code. Guys, good luck with your exam. Remember, don't use the words it, they, amount, and size. And good luck.